What is up, guys? My name is Ari here, and in this video we're going to be having a look on how to find shit coins, meme coins, low cap altcoin gems on the Solana ecosystem, or in fact any ecosystem that could potentially explode 100x to 200x, 1000x, or whatnot. So first thing that you will need is a compatible Solana wallet or Ethereum wallet, which is Phantom. Okay, so let me put in my password real quick just to show you guys how it looks like real quick. All right, so let me just go on the ledger. Let's have 30 cents. Anyways, so just an example real quick. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna go on dextools.io, dextools.io. You're also gonna open jup.ag, jup.ag, Jupiter aggregator. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and do that. Now let's start searching for DexTools pairs. Okay, so this is dextools.io real quick. This is the trending. You have everything trending right here, and for example, you got ape with hat. This is a cryptocurrency that is kind of like dog with hat. Now, can this really explode to $40 million market cap and make 10x? Maybe, maybe not. The volume is looking clean. The holders are looking pretty good. The chart is looking fantastic as well. You want to make sure that the score right here is obviously 99 out of 99 to make sure there is no rug pull. Now, you want to make sure there's no honeypot right here. You're able to sell. You want to make sure that the contract has been verified. And of course, you could essentially go on their website, look if the liquidity has been locked and whatnot. So this is how I find coins. Okay, now at the end of the day, you know, you're not really always going to win. You're gonna lose some and then you're gonna win a shit ton. I'm not gonna lie. So after you're done with that, you pick your coin. Let's say you have $1,000. Let's drop 250 on that. We're gonna go on to the next one. Now that's $4 million. Let's say you want to invest in something that's ultra low cap market cap. So you're gonna go on 6 hour right here, and then you're gonna go on when it was created. So let's say you want anything that was created within the hour. You're gonna go ahead and click created, and you're gonna click on that. So you could see right here, this is a crypto called Lick Dog. And of course, I believe this is from Lick Goat. It's a replicate, and you can see that the market cap is sitting at $174,000. Okay, so $174,000 is quite low in my opinion. So obviously this is in 24 hours. Let's go back to 6 hours real quick. The volume is sitting at 894,000. We got 11,000 swaps, $26,000 worth of liquidity with the market cap of $179,000. Now, obviously the liquidity is not the highest, so you can't trade a lot of money from that, but obviously as the price goes up, the liquidity will increase, and the total market cap is sitting at $179,000. Now we know these meme coins have been going to 5 million, 10 million, even $30 million. So let's just make $10 million real quick, just to give you guys a brief understanding. 1 2 3 1 2 3, I need one more zero, of how much you can make. So you do that divided by $179,000, you're looking at a 55x return. If you put, let's say $300, okay, $300 times 55 real quick, you're roughly looking at $16,500. That is a good amount of money. $16,500 from $300 is honestly insane. Okay, so you obviously have a bunch of things that you could pretty much, you know, do. Look at ape with hat. You got Lick Goat right here, market cap of $3.8 million. You got Ty. I don't even know what Ty is. So I'm just exploring with you guys right here. Is this Ty Lopez? And there's no way this is Ty Lopez. Oh my god, this is Ty Lopez. That's actually a funny meme coin, guys. I might actually buy some of this. The liquidity is a little bit low. Let's have a look at the score. The score is increasing, currently sitting at 60 right now. Let's see the volume. The volume is sitting at $1.49 million worth of volume. So obviously looking pretty great. Ty Lopez, for those of you guys who don't know, he's a pretty much, not a scammer, but he's the guy, the YouTuber that pretty much, you know, I don't know, with the Lamborghinis and real estate and I don't know, a bunch of bullshit. So it's actually really funny here in my garage. Guys, I actually might literally buy this crypto. I am not even kidding. So this is Ty Lopez right here. I mean, I'm giving you guys free alpha. This thing was launched 7 hours ago, and that's about it. So one of my biggest bag is actually Pen Coin. I got in pretty early. This thing is actually still you know, early. I think it's it's still guaranteed to go to $1.50 to $2.50. I think we could see big moves happening. And of course, guys, make sure you are on the Solana. So when you're going to go on Dextool, you're most likely going to be on Ethereum, something that I should have told you guys at the beginning. If you're on Ethereum, make sure to click Solana right here. And pretty much that's about it. You have all the trending pairs on top 10 right here. You could go on the Dex board and you're gonna have all the daily gainers right here. So you have a bunch of things that you could potentially look at. I mean, Dextool is your friend, guys. Dextool is your friend. There's no question about that. And pretty much, I mean, that's about it. I mean, there's not really so much to talk about, so much to say. I think we could see big moves coming on meme coins. I think meme coins are still going to be exploding because the bull market is just getting started, in my opinion. You know, regarding, okay, how to swap now. Sorry about that. So this is probably one of the most important thing, how to swap. Now you could take any contract. So I showed you guys how to get the coin, right? That's very simple step. How do you take the contract? Well, you're going to go, let's say on Andy, just a random coin. You're going to go ahead and hit that Andy right here. Click and copy and paste that contract. You're going to go on jupe.ag. This is something that I forgot to tell you guys about, but of course I told you guys all the steps on how to find. Now I'm telling you guys on how to essentially swap. You're going to go ahead and paste that contract. You got the Andy contract right here. You're going to go ahead and confirm that selection. Now if you guys can't find it, make sure you go from strict to all. Okay, once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and connect your wallet. Let me connect my wallet to the other one. Yes, guys, yes, I made $92,000 from Peng, of course, which is a shit ton of money, but let's just connect the wallet real quick just to explain to you guys. Okay, and I started with $5,000, guys, so I'm not rich. Okay, everyone can do this. Anyone can do this. All you need is a good amount of liquidity. So if you have $5,000, start by spreading $1,000 through all your altcoins. Now all you need is one altcoin to essentially do 50x, and then you have 50k. So you turn 5k to 50k, and maybe your other altcoins are gonna explode, or your other shit coins are gonna explode. So right now I have 0.2 souls. I'm gonna go ahead and do 0.1 souls right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click swap. You're gonna wait until you essentially you get this confirmation on Jupiter or on Phantom. You're gonna go ahead and click confirm, and then boom, I just made my transaction on jupe.ag. Now, of course, if you guys are interested in joining my group chat right here, this is my group chat actually. I make a bunch of money. It's completely free. I do scalps, I do shit coins, bonuses. I mean, guys, yesterday, look at that. I opened an XRP position right here at 3:20 p.m. and I pretty much closed this position at $4,000 at 3:38. So within 18 minutes, I made 4K. Now, if you guys are using my copy trading, portfolio or my copy trading on Fairdesk, you actually could have made that money with me. You could have made 23% within few minutes if you actually use that. So I drop a bunch of shit coins in here. I drop crypto, I drop meme coins, I drop news. So if you guys are interested, the link will be in the Telegram below. And guys, pretty much that's about it. Nothing too much to see over here, nothing too crazy. I think I forgot something else. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, of course. Leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video.